Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a 3-in-1 gas soldering iron set from PARKSIDE. This specific one I bought from Lidl. I paid £14.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. But of course Lidl will have the advantage of selling this one cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to do first is show you the product itself, do the unboxing and show you what the product looks like. But I'm not going to be showing you the actual an actual example of how to use it. So let's get started. So it's a medium-sized box. Just really quickly to mention that this comes with a 3-year warranty. This is a sneak peek of the actual soldering iron and some of the accessories that comes with it. So let's just zoom in, check the information. So the max flame temperature is up to 1300 Celsius degrees. The max hot air temperature is approximately 600 degrees. And the max soldering tip temperature approximately 450 degrees. So it's three items pretty much in one. So you get a flame, you get a hot air gun, and then you get the warm soldering tip. So let's see. So you get the blowtorch, the hot air gun, and the soldering iron, and this comes with includes the fuel gas cartridge. So you're getting a lot of product for what you're paying, and this is the information on the front. A picture of what the accessories are, but we are going to find out in a second. It can be used as a blowtorch, as a hot air gun, or a soldering iron, as we can see from here, from the pictures. Anything on the top. Now the information on the back, there is a lot of text which I'm going to show you. You can pause in and read it if you wish. And that's it pretty much. That's all the information on the box itself. Now the way to open this one is either from the left side or on the right side. And you can use, there should be a plastic sticker holding it in place. You can use either a knife or a scissor. In my case I'm using a scissor, but it should be fairly easy easy to open. So let me just open this for you. There we are. So this is the gas cartridge, which I believe will fuel the soldering iron, but we should be able to get that in a second. So let me just show you the information here. That's it. So let me just leave this on the side. I don't know, I'm not entirely sure what this is. Well, it had a small box inside, but there was nothing there, so I don't know what this box is. So you get the owner's manual or the instructions guide, but this one doesn't seem to have a barcode like most of the PARKSIDE products have. So this is the instructions guide, and then you get another one. So you get two of them, and you get everything in a nice small box. No information on the box. Now let's see what's inside. Again, for safety reasons, I'm not going to be using this. I'm going to show you how to use it, but in a future video, most likely, if I finish my workshop at that point in time, then that will be a time to actually show you how this one works. Now you get three different. So you can see from here that we get the 3 different tips. And from the looks of them, all of them are like screw-in tips. Well, let me see if I can get one out. So this is one of them. This is another one. And this is the third one. So you get 4 tips. I believe so is the one that is already on the soldering iron, and the other 3 which are here. Now you get this part here as well. you get the sponge which you wet to clear the tip, and this is the lid which you'll put it in so you don't burn anything around it, just for safety. And then of course you get the electric solder flux, so you get the flux as well, so you get quite a lot of it. And that's what's inside the box, and this is the actual tool. It feels very nice. So let's see, I believe so. So those black parts, let me just show you around. So those black buttons that look like buttons, they're not buttons, but actually they are there to hold it like that, I believe. So when you have this movement, they're there to hold. So they're not buttons. They look like ones, but they're not. Let me just zoom in. So this is the information here. Now this here says continuous. So most likely, if you press that one, is continuously the flame. If you use the flame part, will push it towards out. Now this specific one, so this specific one is the trigger. So if you do that, which I'm doing here at the moment, is will cause the gas to inflate, and that's how you get this warmed up. Now this one here, so this one has a left and a right. So I'm not entirely sure what this button is, but most likely I believe it guides how much flame will come out on in. Oh, that's correct. So you can see the level. Hopefully the camera can zoom. So you can see here is the lowest, and towards the right, which is the max, is I believe the level of temperature or the flame that will come out. And that's it pretty much, guys. There's no other no other buttons or information. So this is the tip here. So let me just, so the way to take the tip off is screw in or screw out. So can you, Eric? Let's see if we open that one. So in case you wonder. So most of the parts come out. Again, I'm not entirely sure if you can get spare parts for this one. Most likely you can. I wouldn't see why not. So let me just close this and put it again the way it was, and that's it pretty much. And the way to actually fill this with the propane or whatever that might be is you get the canister with the fuel in it. You get the different heads. You put it in there, and then of course this would fill from here. And that's it. I haven't used a similar product before, so I'm not gonna be showing you how to do that because I don't know myself. Once I figure it out, I'll make another video showing to do a showcase on how to use this one. It seems like a very interesting tool to have compared to having electrical cables around, and you know, having having the actual normal soldering iron station using so much space of your area, whereas this one is so small and simple. When you don't use it, you just literally pop the lid on it, leave it on the table, and it should be fine. Again, once I use it, I figure out how it works, then I'll be making a video in the future, because I'll definitely have to read the instructions guide just to get some more information, just to do this safely. And that's it pretty much, guys. Very nice and small, interesting tool to have. If you like one of them, I would definitely advise you to get it from Lidl when it's available. And that's it pretty much, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.